Why do I do tutorials?
I do tutorials because I get forced to by my teacher for a grade.
I do tutorials because if I don't, then I have to sit out here in the hallway by myself.
I do tutorials because if I don't, then my parents get called.
I just do it for the points.
I do tutorials so that I can be prepared for college.
Yeah, x plus 7 equals 11. I do tutorials so that I could get a better understanding of the curriculum from my peers.
X, right? What's the square root of 4? Good job.
I do tutorials so that I can study for upcoming tests, including the SAT and the ACT.
I do tutorials so that I can be successful in my AP classes.
I know my answer was I identified pandas.
Tutorials help me to collaborate with my peers and get free tutoring.
I do tutorials to be successful in life.